PSC റാങ്കറിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് അതായത് 17/2/2025 നടന്ന ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ വെൽഡിംഗ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലേക്ക് PSC നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള പരീക്ഷയുടെ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർക്കാണ് വായിക്കാൻ പോണത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പരീക്ഷയുടെ കാറ്റഗറി കോഡ് 136/2024 ഈ പരീക്ഷ പ്രകാരം നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കോർ കമൻസിലിടുക. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ചെയ്ത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ, ദ കറക്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ് ആംഗിൾ ഓഫ് എ ചിസൽ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ഓൺ ദ മെറ്റീരിയൽ ടു ബി ചിപ്ഡ്. 2, ഫയൽസ് ആർ സ്പെസിഫൈഡ് അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ദെയർ സി ലെങ്ത്, ഗ്രേഡ്, കട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഷേപ്പ്. ഇനി 3, വിച്ച് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് എ ഹാമർ ഈസ് മെൻ ഫോർ ഫിക്സിംഗ് ഹാൻഡിൽ റിജിഡ്ലി? എ, ഐ ഹോൾ. 4, ദ ഇഗ്നീഷൻ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റീൽ ഫോർ ഓക്സി അസെറ്റിലിൻ ഗ്യാസ് കട്ടിംഗ് ഈസ് D ആണ് 875 to 900 degree Celsius. 5, the cutting nozzle size is given by the diameter of the cutting orifice in millimeter. A ആണ്. 6, oxygen gas cylinders can store gas to a capacity of 7 meter cube. A ആണ്. 7, acetylene gas is generated from B, calcium carbide and water. 8, which oxy-acetylene welding flame is used for welding mild steel? A, neutral flame. 9, the selection of flux in gas welding depends upon A, composition of material to be joined. But what is the special method for safe storage of acetylene gas in cylinder? D, stored as dissolved gas in liquid acetone. 11, low pressure blowpipe is also called C, injector blowpipe. 12, the angle of blowpipe to the line of weld in right word welding technique? D, 40 degree to 50 degree. 13, which one of the following is not a form of flux in gas welding? A, coil. 14, number of pinholes formed on the surface of the deposited metal is called B, porosity. 15, weldable type of cast iron is D, grey cast iron. 16, which of the following is an advantages of high pressure system of gas welding? A, working efficiency is more. 17, what is the first compartment contained in the purifier? B, pumice stone. 18, the melting point of zinc is A, 419 degrees Celsius. 19, aluminum is classified into 3 main groups. C ആണ്. 20, undercut is a groove or channel formed along the toe of the weld on one side or both sides. B ആണ്. 21, what is the substance used as a coolant in spot welding? B, water. 22, which of the following is an example of resistance welding? C, spot welding. 23, the fusion is produced by the heat obtained from a concentrated beam composed in electron beam welding, primarily of D, high velocity of electrons. 24, which of the following resistance welding machine is used to join pipe sections in end to end? B, butt welding. 25, which of the following operating variable is submerged arc welding controls the arc length? A, welding voltage. 26, which of the following is not an advantage of resistance welding? B, the equipment is costly. 27, which of the following property of flux is used in electroslag welding? A, it has high electrical resistance. 28, the reaction takes place in thermit welding is B, exothermic. 29, in thermit welding heat is produced between aluminum powder and iron oxide in right proportion. D ആണ്. 30, which is an advantage of friction welding? C, no filler rod or electrode is required. 31, which of the following statement are correct about laser beam welding? ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന 3 ഉണ്ട്, അപ്പോൾ B ആണ്, all of the above. 32, the multi spot welding is A, projection welding. 33, thermit welding is a form of C, fusion welding. 34, which type of joint is required for spot welding? C, lap joint. 35, electron beam welding is an automatic process performed in vacuum without a shielding gas. A ആണ്. 36, a welder qualification test is to verify B, skill of the welder. 37, WPS means B, weld procedure specification. 38, which of the following destructive test is related to Izod and Chappie machines? A ആണ്, impact test. 39, the surface and subsurface cracks in the weldment of magnetic alloys can be inspected by D, magnetic particle test. 40, guided bend test is used to determine ductility of the weld material. A ആണ്. 41, temperature of plasma arc cutting is എ 20,000 Kelvin. 42. Stainless steel can be cut easily by a plasma arc cutting. 43. Surfacing is done to build up worn out parts of material whose dimensions have been affected and make them as good as new and obtain the required properties. C ആണ്. 44. Which flame is used for hard facing? B. Carburizing. 45. Pose heating retards the ratio of cooling of a welded joint. C ആണ്. 46. A short arc will reduce arc blow. A. 47. The distance between the tip of the electrode and the parent metal where the arc strike is called B. Arc length. 48. Sometime in electric arc welding, arc gives out more spatters. It is due to A. High welding current. 49. In the electrode coating ER4211, what does the R indicate? A ആണ് types of covering. 50. The electrode which deposits a more amount of weld metal per unit time is called B. Iron powder electrode. 51. A device designed for checking the shape and size of welding is called B. ആണ് weld gauge. 52. Welding transformers are equipped with condensers so as to improve a power factor. 53. A depression formed at the end of the weld is called B. crater. 54. Electrode used for arc welding of aluminum contain 95% aluminum and 5% silicon ആണ് A. 55. The process of hammering the weld metal immediately after it is deposited is called peening. B ആണ്. 56. What is the name of semicircular deposit on a weld bead? A. Reinforcement. 57. What is the name of joint if two members welded in the same plane? C ആണ് butt joint. 58. What is the conversion function of a rectifier? C ആണ് AC, alternating current to direct current. AC to DC. C ആണ്. 59. Which one of the following pipes welding stands for 45-degree inclined position welding? D ആണ് 6G. 60. What is the defined as vertical position of groove welding? C. 3G. 61. What is the purpose of wrapping the weld cable around the job in welding? A. To control arc blow. 62. When hydrogen control is specified for a manual metal arc welding project, the electrode would normally D. Basic. 63. For open site manual metal arc welding, the following equipment is available. Which would you choose for safe working? D. Diesel engine driven motor generator. 64. Silicon is added to electrode coating as C. A deoxidant. 65. When welding, thin plate distortion can be minimized by D. Using back step welding. 66. What is the non-consumable electrode of high melting point used in TIG welding? C. Tungsten electrode. 67. How heat affected zone is covered and protected from atmospheric contaminations in GTAW? A. Inert gas. 68. Which type of tungsten electron is suitable for welding stainless steel by TIG process with DC? C ആണ് thoriated tungsten electrode. 69. Which type of current supply is best suited for GTAW of aluminum and its alloys? A ആണ് AC. 70. What is the defect while TIG welding if the current is too low? Lack of fusion. D ആണ്. 71. What is the name electronic unit that helps to initiate the arc in TIG welding process? C. High frequency unit. 72. Which one is added with tungsten to increase the current carrying capacity in TIG welding? A ആണ് thorium oxide. 73. State the reason for using an AC power source in the TIG welding process while welding aluminum. A. It clean aluminum oxide. 74. TIG welding nozzles are made by D. Ceramic. 75. Color identification of tungsten with 2% thorium TIG electrode is B ആണ് red. 76. In the following gases, which one recommended for welding of steel? Argon, helium. A ആണ്. 77. Stainless steel is mostly welded by TIG welding in A ആണ് DCSP. 78 EWP E stands for an electrode A ആണ്. 79 ISO stands for A International Organization for Standardization. 80 which shielding gas will produce smooth arc in TIG welding? B argon. 81 what is also referred as a GTAW? A ആണ് TIG welding. 82 argon gas backing is called for when TIG welding authentic stainless steel pipe. This is to A prevent oxidation. 83 in current polarity used for TIG welding of all materials except aluminum and magnesium is A and DC negative. 84 pipe bores of some materials must be purged with argon before and during TIG welding in order to prevent oxidation of the root bead. 85 in TIG welding what is the benefit of a current slope out device? It reduces B risk of crater cracking. 86 which one of the following is most commonly used power supply for GMAW? B and DCEP. 87 the electrode extended from the end of the contact tip of the welding gun to the arc is called D stick out. 88 there are 4 modes of metal transfer in GMAW. Which one is considered least discernible? A ആണ് globular. 89 what is the name of welding process if the arc produced by a consumable metal electrode is protected by inert gas? B ആണ് MIG welding. 90 the other name of carbon dioxide welding is A metal active gas welding. 91 contact tip of GMAW torch is made by B copper. 92 in the GMAW electrode specification ER70 S6 S stands for D solid. 93 the rate at which arc moves along the joints is known as D ആണ് arc travel speed. 94 what will be increases when you are increasing the wire feed speed in GMAW? B ആണ് welding current. 95 the drawback of carbon dioxide shielding in GMAW is A ആണ് more spatters. 96 which is used to reduce the cylinder pressure and made to working pressure? B gas pressure regulator. 97 carbon dioxide is extensively used for welding mild steel. 98 a suitable gas or gas mixture for GMAW for aluminum is B 100% argon. 99 for GMAW the burn off rate of the wire is directly related to B wire feed speed. 100 the arc length is most likely to be affected by what during carbon dioxide welding? B the current return connection. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്ന് നടന്ന പരീക്ഷയുടെ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ. ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്ഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ പിന്നീട് വരും. ഓക്കെ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കോറ് ഈ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ വെച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക, കമൻസിലിടുക. ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ചെയ്ത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു.